Good day. Do you have a generator that basically starts but doesn't produce any electricity? If it's the case, let's watch this. I'll show you how we're gonna fix this. I'm showing you this on the generator Honda CG160 of 5 kilowatts, but this basically works on any generator. Okay, so of course, before anything, we're gonna try if it really doesn't work. So I took here an hairdryer. I will plug it in. We'll start the generator and see if it works or not. Okay, always check things first. Never believe the person that brings you something. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so there's definitely no electricity. So for a generator, we usually have the part engine and the part that produces the electricity. Yeah? So that will obviously be that part that will have a problem. So what we'll do, we will open that box. So here I see 2 screws, and here they have been removed. So I won't bother with that. And I will open this. Usually inside we should have a capacitor, and usually this is the culprit. Here we go. See, this one is usually the faulty part. In order to see if it works or not, I'm gonna dismantle it. I'm gonna remove those 2 clips and remove the cables. Now that we have our part, we need to test it to make sure it's toast or not. Okay, so I've tested mine and mine is gone, it's dead. Okay, so I went to the shop and I bought another one. If you want to know how to test those, I'll place a link somewhere here and you'll be able to see exactly if it's gone or not. Okay, so when I went to the shop, obviously I bought the same one, and just to make sure it's the same one, you will see there's always a big number on it with an F. So it's this one is 14 microfarad. Okay, so make sure you buy exactly the same one. If not, you may have a problem. So what we got left to do, mount it and see if it works. To mount it back, it's easy. We place back 2 cable ties here, we place the capacitor and we connect it again. Easy. Here we go. I've now mounted everything back together. I've plugged my hairdryer and let's start and see if it works. I hope that you'll be able to hear it. Okay. Perfect! Now that's it, done. You know how to do it. I hope that you have liked that video, and for me it's time to go because it started raining. Okay, let's see each other in the next video. See ya.